A very genuine question because I keep whatsoever person he was talking about, whether it's absence is merely or greatly whether what are the political charges are occurring on Imran Khan, but what we can do over here from Rohit Sharma, he should take some rest as he have taken some rest in previous past as well. Didn't felt shy. So same thing is with Babar. So if Babar won't do this, I think his performance is declining. And so, but the thing is the mindset. Until unless we won't have proper mindset and proper goals over. Come on.
So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you?
मैं good आके God is too kind. आप ठीक हैं? What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And you shared a statement about Rashid Latif by criticizing Mohsin Naqvi's selection as chairman PCB and questioning him. How do you see this?
Akib, I really like Rashid Latif. Sorry, Rashid Latif bhai. He has been one of my favorite wicket-keeper batsmen. No doubt he was he used to lag in batting, but similarly he was dominant in his keeping, right? So if a keeper, I'm just narrating this fact because if a keeper is not good in batting, but he can hold the 50 runs or restrict the 50 runs due to his good fielding, so these are more than enough compared to his batting runs. So Akib, the point I want to discuss over here is Rashid Bhai has a great insight of the cricket. That's why he was the most disliking person in the PCB any role of in the PCB.
And he spoke against match fixing.
Yeah, as well. He was the first person and the brave person who spoke first time. So on the other hand, if Rashid Latif has, I think so, raised a very genuine question because I keep whatsoever person he was talking about, whether it's chairman or whoever is, he should have complete knowledge and background about the game. Until unless you won't have such background of the game or political engineering will be took place, then your team can't be survive, and these things will be happen again and again in future.
Tahir bhai, even a similar statement was given by Wasim Akram bhai that he said if you include Imran Khan in the cricketing setup, he will fix your cricket. Only he said Khan Saab can fix our cricket.
Yeah, okay, but totally agree with
Great
Wasim bhai because he has played under the captaincy of Imran Khan. You know, Wasim Akram was also man of character and was used to be very
father of cricket.
And he used to be afraid under the captaincy of Imran Khan in sense of respect and care, right? So no doubt Imran Khan has won 92 World Cup for you. And there are a lot of big. He's the only one who didn't bowl even a single no ball in his whole career.
What a beautiful action.
What a beautiful character he was. So the point which I want to raise over here is, no doubt Imran Khan's absence is merely or greatly been felt by not only our team of cricketers and sports, but also whole universe as well, where the cricket lovers are existing. So I think the same Akram's stance should be taken into consideration by the government, and at least no doubt whether what are the political charges are occurring on Imran Khan. But what we can do over here is we can took the advice in the promotion of the sports even from behind the bars, right? So it will be good for the country, good for the cause of our country as well.
And as we are out of the Champions Trophy, do you think Rizwan will be removed from captaincy or you would want to continue?
No.
Again, we will go on the back foot, changing selectors.
I don't want to see I don't want to see Rizwan be sacking by his captaincy post because
his hands are tied.
His hands are tied, and he is also unable to select the team by his own. We have felt due to his body language as well in a previous match. Yes, and he is not utilizing him properly. So I think it's a good time for PCB to bring some changes in the team on the permanent basis, not on the temporary basis.
Wasim bhai should name the five people.
The big five. So those big five should be immediately be sacked, and the bigger five compared to them should be implemented. If there is no backup of these big five, I think then there is no need to sacking of these big five.
And Tahir bhai, I was yesterday watching Ahmed Shahzad program. The way he's always speaking at PCB, should PCB call him for coaching? That you're speaking on TV, come and work with us.
Yeah, Keep the reason Ahmed Shahzad is talking about it.
He was very angry.
He has just seen the opportunity in PCB, right? He said
same with Mohammad Amir.
He is saying that he and Amir are saying that PCB is struggling nowadays. They need good brains to revamp the team. So that's why they are giving such statement. But I want to ask Amir bhai and Shehzad bhai, whenever you have been included in the team, how many best performances you have given in your whole career? Maybe 2 or 3. So thing is, whenever you are out of the team, you are just came on the media and give big statement. But on the other hand, the meanwhile you entered in the team like we have seen Mohammad Amir in USA match, super over and rest of the match.
Same
He
for
was
Mohammad
just they both were out of the flavor, and I will blame both of them. They were the sole reason of Pakistan for losing that match.
And they wanted to make Babar dirty as well.
Yeah.
And lastly, before we conclude this video, Tahir, what about Babar Azam? After being made opener, people said that he is trying to be made dirty after being made opener. And even Archel Gibbs has claimed that Babar is a stubborn individual and he doesn't listen to advice.
Akib Babar should learn from Rohit Sharma. He should take some rest as he have taken some rest in previous past as well. So it's a good thing for Babar that he should take rest and make his comeback stronger. Otherwise, Babar will be trolled.
Kohli, Tahir, takes rest when required.
Kohli taken rest and didn't felt shy. So same thing is with Babar. So if Babar won't do this, I think his performance will be declining and his psychological effects will more affect his performance and batting style as well.
Who gave him the suggestion to make him opener? Tahir? Who gave Akib Bhai this suggestion? Obviously, opening is a full-fledged job. You have to see the global. You have played cricket yourself.
Akib, no doubt, Akib Bhai has given him the option of opening, but
not
Babar should also utilize his own brain, own mind, own mindset. That he should convince Akib Bhai that Akib Bhai, I'm not built for the opening. These players are built for opening, right? So even Usman could be Usman and Imam both could be used for the opening.
him in the next
Yeah.
match.
So, but the thing is the mindset. Until unless we won't have proper mindset and proper goals, our team will be struggling like this, struggling for success.
Tahir, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to every minute of the video. Guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to post for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Tahir. Say to good yourself and Allah Hafiz.